Hi Divas! In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your PayPal email to your vendor account. We use PayPal Adaptive, so this way the payment will split between the seller, you, and Shoperatic.com. We get 10% of all transactions. So you access this front-end manager dashboard by clicking on My Account, and then you scroll down to your settings. And once you get to settings in a second, you will click on billing right here. So you click on billing, and this is where you add your PayPal email. It's also very important to make sure that you have selected PayPal Adaptive, not Payment Mode. So this is what your billing section should look like: PayPal Adaptive and your PayPal email. And make sure that you click Save, and then you're good to go. You will get your money directly into your PayPal account when you make a sale.